Good morning student. I am your bio teacher and in this video we are going to discuss about that what is the circulation of our blood, and there are two main phases in the heart, systole and diastole, and also we have discussed about that heartbeat and pacemaker. See student, in the previous video already we have studied about that the structure of heart. Heart is a organ which is a very important organ which is present in our body. It is a pumping organ. And what is the main function of heart? To circulate the blood throughout the body and transport the many things which is required to us. Got it everybody? Already we have studied the heart consists of the 4 chamber. This is the right side and this is the left side. It is the upper chamber is called auricle and lower chamber is called ventricles, and there are 4 walls. These two are the tricuspid, bicuspid, and these are a semilunar, pulmonary semilunar wall and atriosemilunar wall. Already we have discussed about that in my previous video, and in that video I will explain about that the 2 main phases of the heart. Due to these phases the heart is contract and relax. Got it? The 2 main phases is called as the systole and diastole. See student, this is the right auricle, this is the right ventricle, this is the left auricle, and this is the left ventricle. There is the vena cava and this is the pulmonary artery. There is the pulmonary vein. Means all are, this is the aorta. All the parts of the heart already we have studied in my previous video. In that video we are studying about the 2 main phases, systole and diastole. See, I will explain systole and diastole. Systole means what? Contraction phase, and diastole means relaxation phase. See student, our heart is beating. How does it beat? Because the 2 auricles are contract, simultaneously the 2 ventricles are relaxed. When the 2 ventricles are contract, simultaneously the 2 auricles are relaxed. These rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart is called as a heartbeat. Systole. In the systolic phase, 2 auricles. When the 2 auricles are contract, simultaneously the 2 ventricles are relaxed. When the 2 auricles are contract, the blood push towards the ventricles. Both auricles. When the both auricles are contract, the blood which is move from auricle to the ventricle. So the auricle is contract, ventricle is relax. Auricle in systolic phase, simultaneously the ventricles in diastolic phase. Got it everybody? When the 2 auricles are contract, the blood is move towards the ventricles and ventricle is relax. Got it? Systole, when the auricle systole, when the auricle in systolic phase, that time simultaneously the ventricles is a diastolic phase. And when the auricle is diastole, means the auricle is relaxed, the ventricle is contract. See, this is a vena cava. I will explain what is meant by a superior vena cava and it is a inferior vena cava. Superior and inferior vena cava bring the blood from deoxygenated blood from body to the right auricles, and the same time simultaneously the 2 pulmonary vein bring the blood from lungs and pour into the left auricle. When the vena cava and pulmonary veins are pour the blood into the auricle, that times the auricle is diastole, means it is a relax. When the auricles are relaxed, simultaneously the ventricle is contract. Got it? Systole. When the auricle in systole. Systole means what? Contraction. Systole means what? Contraction of the upper chamber. Simultaneously both are contract. Simultaneously both are relaxed. When both are contract, the blood which is present in the auricle, which is transferred to the ventricle through by tricuspid and bicuspid wall, means both walls are open when the auricles is contract and ventricle is relaxed. Got it, student? Systole means what? Systole means contraction. When the two auricles contract, simultaneously two ventricles are relaxed, means when the two auricles in systolic phase, simultaneously the two ventricles in diastolic phase, and when the both auricles in diastolic phase, in the ventricle is the systolic phase, means both are relaxed, filled with the blood. When both are relaxed, filled with blood, that time both tricuspid and bicuspid walls are closed, and simultaneously the ventricles is contract and push the blood towards both pulmonary semilunar wall and the aortic semilunar wall. The right ventricles contract, push the blood through by the pulmonary artery towards the lungs, and the ventricular systole push the blood through by aorta to all parts of the body. Got it, student? When the auricles is contract, that time the two tricuspid and bicuspid wall are open up. Tricuspid and bicuspid wall open. When it open, when the auricle in contract, means auricle in systolic phase and ventricle is a diastolic in phase. That times the blood which is transferred from auricle to the ventricle through by tricuspid and bicuspid wall. So the tricuspid and bicuspid walls are open up, and simultaneously the pulmonary walls, pulmonary semilunar walls and aortic semilunar walls are closed. When the tricuspid and bicuspid, see this condition, this is a systolic phase. In the systolic means contraction. When the auricle in systole, ventricle in diastole, that times the tricuspid and bicuspid walls are open up, and the semilunar walls are closed. There is very forcefully the semilunar walls close, and when the semilunar wall are closed, that times the sound produced, this sound is called as a dub sound. Dub sound means both are open up, the blood is transferred from auricle to the ventricle, tricuspid bicuspids are open up, same time the semilunar walls are closed up, and they are closed up very forcefully. That times sounds are produced, and this sound is called as a dub sound. Got it, student? And the relaxation means both auricles in diastolic phase, that times the both ventricle in contraction phase. Both are relaxed, filled with blood. Right auricle filled with deoxygenated blood through by superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, bring the blood and pour into the right auricle, means are filled with blood, means it is a diastolic phase. The pulmonary vein bring the oxygenated blood from lungs and pour into the left auricle, means both filled with blood when it is in the diastolic phase. Diastole means relaxation. When both are filled with blood, that time the tricuspid and bicuspid walls are closed. Tricuspid and bicuspid wall closed, and both ventricle are contract and push the blood. The right ventricle push the blood through by pulmonary artery to the lungs. When the tricuspid valve is closed and the left ventricles contract and push the blood all body through by the aorta. This is a diastolic phase. That times both are closed. Tricuspid and bicuspid are closed and semilunar wall open, and blood are transferred by lungs and towards the body. When the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed, that times the sound is produced because there is present the chord tendinea. I told you in the previous video, there is a muscle-like structure. This is called as the chord tendinea, and forcefully, when both are contract, forcefully the tight this tricuspid and bicuspid and close. That times the sound is produced. The sound is called as the lup sound. Got it, student? What is the circulation of blood and how does the systolic phase and diastolic phase, and these phase, both systole and both diastole, these complete the phase within 0.85 minutes. This is called as the one heartbeat. One heartbeat means what? What is meant by one heartbeat? Means the both systolic auricles, systolic ventricles, and both are relaxation of the four chambers. This is called the one heartbeat, and this is required the time 0.85 second. Everybody, you know that our heart is beating 72 times in a minute. Got it, everybody? What is the blood circulation? Again, I will explain you. See carefully. See, student. Both auricles in contract means both auricle in systolic phase, simultaneously both ventricles in diastolic phase means both are contract, both are relaxed. When both are contract, the blood is transferred from auricle to ventricle, means tricuspid, bicuspid are open up and the semilunar walls are closed up forcefully, and that times they produce the dup sound. And same when the both are relaxed, tricuspid and bicuspid are closed and the ventricles are systole, means both are contract, and blood that when they are contract, the tricuspid and bicuspids are closed and blood are transferred pulmonary artery to the lungs and the aorta through all body parts. And when tricuspid and bicuspids are closed, that types lup sound is produced. Got it, everybody? This is called the circulation of blood, means heart is pumped and circulate the blood throughout our body. Understood what is meant by systole? Systole means contraction and diastole means relaxation. See, student, I will show in the with diagram which have in our textbook. See, student, this is the auricles, two auricles and ventricles. This is the systolic phase, means both auricle is contract, tricuspid, bicuspids are open up and ventricles are relaxed and filled with blood. When they are contract, that times both are open up and the semilunar walls are closed with sound, dup sound produced. Got it? And this is the diastolic phase. Diastolic phase means the two auricles is relaxed, filled with the blood. The auricles, the right auricle filled with the blood with vena cava and the left auricle filled with the blood pulmonary vein. And tricuspid, bicuspids are closed, two ventricles are contract and push the blood by the right auricles to the pulmonary artery through by the lung towards the lungs for oxygenation, and the left ventricles are push the blood through by aorta to all body part. This is a got it. And when the tricuspid and bicuspid are closed enough, that times lup sound is produced. Understood, student? The circulation of blood, like that the blood is circulate in our body, means when both are contract, the blood is transferred to the ventricle. When both are contract, the blood is transferred to lungs and to body parts. Got it, student? Anybody have any doubt? You will ask me through by my personal number. Next is a heartbeat. What is mean by heartbeat? Heartbeat means rhythmic alternate contraction and relaxation of the chamber is called as the heartbeat, and the heartbeat is complete into the 0.85 second. The relaxation of all chamber take 0.40 second. The contraction of ventricles is required 0.30 second, and the contraction of auricles take a 0.15 second. Altogether it required 0.85 second for a one heartbeat in 72 times beating of heart in within a 1 minute. Got it, student? Next topic is the pacemaker. Pacemaker. It is very interesting topic and it is very important topic. The pacemaker, it is the natural pacemaker which is present in our heart. It conducts the impulses throughout the heart, and the heart is contract and relax. See, student, this is the SA node. It is called, first upon I will explain the structure, then I will explain the function. Pacemaker, it is the natural impulses, natural electrical impulses which are produced in our body, and where it is produced, the first impulses are generated in the, it is called as the SA node. It is called as the sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node. It called SA node. This is called as the pacemaker in our body, and these pacemakers are generate the electrical impulses in the heart, and with the help of electrical impulses the heart is contract. See, this is a SA node. SA node, it is called as the sinoatrial node. This is a natural pacemaker of the body. When the electrical impulses are generated in the sino node is the SA node and transport to the AV node. Next point of the AV node. See, this is the superior vena cava. In your exam maybe ask what is the location of the SA node. Where is the pacemaker located in our heart? The answer is called, it is near to the superior vena cava in the right auricles. Got it, student? This is the SA node. SA node, it is generate the electrical impulses in the heart and conduct to the AV node. The electrical impulses are transport to the AV node. This is present in near the, this is the septum. This is called septum, interventricular septum. It is called as the interventricular septum. This is the AV node. The AV node which is present in the near to the central interventricular septum. This is called AV node. AV node. AV node means what? Atrioventricular node. AV node is atrioventricular node. This is shortly called as the AV node, and this is the muscle fiber. Means see, this is a SA node. In their SA node generate the electrical impulses and conduct to the AV node, and this is called, this is a muscle fiber. This muscle fiber means a bundle of fibers, bundle of muscle fiber. This is called as bundle of His. And these bundle of His, there is the many branches like fibers like structures. Means see, student, in our home there is also electrical circuit, means the main switch. The SA node is a main switch. Then there is so many electrical impulse, so many electrical instrument which is present in our house, like that tube light, fan. Means more electrical wires we are transported where the electrical things is present. Same like that, there is a SA node. SA nodes are generate the electrical impulses. These impulses is conduct from SA node to the AV node. Then there is a muscle fiber. This muscle fiber is called as the bundle of His, and these electrical impulses are conducted from AV node to the bundle of His. And in the septum and the wall of ventricle, there is a so many branches like structure. So many branches. Electrical impulses are transferred from bundle of his to the branches. The branch like structure is called as the Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fibers. This is the structure is like that many branches, and these electrical impulses are transferred to the ventricles. Got it, student? Means there are a main SA node. SA node is generate the electrical impulses. It conduct the electrical impulses from SA node to AV node. Then AV nodes are transport the electrical impulses bundle of His, and then bundle of His are conducted the electrical impulses Purkinje fiber. This is our spacemaker. Means when the electrical impulses are generated in AV node in auricles, that times auricle will contract, and when the electrical impulses transfer from auricle to the ventricles, the impulses are going into the ventricles, that ventricles is contract. Understood what is mean by spacemaker? Spacemaker, got it? And all together means what? SA node, AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber all together form a system which create the impulses and conduct it to every part of the heart, and due to these electrical impulses the heart is contract and relax. So it is the very important parts of the heart. Some person, their pacemaker is a fault, any difficulties for working, that times artificial pacemakers is also transplant in the heart. Got it, everybody? What is mean by pacemaker? What is the important parts of the pacemaker? All together the system create the impulses in the heart and conduct to all parts of the heart, and due to this pacemaker naturally the electric impulses are generated in the heart, and the heart is contract and relax. Got it, student? Understood what is mean by systole, diastole, heartbeat? What is mean by heartbeat? The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart is called as the heartbeat, and one heartbeat is required for 0.85 seconds. Means systolic, 2 times systolic, auricle is systole, ventricle is systole, auricle is contract and ventricle is contract. 4 together is required 0.85 seconds. And everybody you know that 70 times our heart is beating within the 1 minute. Got it, student? Thank you.